Okay, so hi guys. I am gonna show you how to, well, not how to, but I'm gonna go on this. I'll show you. This.
And it's very hard.
She dared me to do it and standing up, so yeah, move it. Okay, so I am going to go on this, and she dared me to, so, and I'm at my friend's house if it's, because I'm in a different place, so yeah, so I'm gonna go on this. I'm so scared. I used to go on these at my own. Fail. Do it the other way. My head hurts now. Let's try to do it without the hand thing. Oh my gosh. Ow. Okay, that was it, you guys. So, comment down below what you want me to do next. So, yeah. And please like and subscribe. And I'll do more videos. So, yeah. So, bye. Please like and subscribe.
I want to do that again.
And comment. Okay. Bye out.